你好，春节快乐 Happy Spring Festival! Spring Festival is a time for family reunion as well as delicious food, of course. Then, what do Chinese people eat with? Here are some for you to choose from. For Chinese people, we traditionally use spoons and chopsticks. We do use knives and forks when we dine out in a Western-style restaurant or whenever we cook ourselves steaks. Now today, let's talk about chopsticks, which has been in use in China for more than 3,000 years. Why is that? Because China has a very long agricultural civilization, which means back in ancient times, Chinese people ate cereals as their staple food. They put cereals, some veggies, and some leaves together and simply boiled them. And while eating the food, they used some sticks to help put the food into the mouth, like this, which is handier and cleaner, of course. As time went by, this way of eating was accepted by the society, and after a long time of practice, the way of holding chopsticks was standardized. Have a look. Actually, the theory of leverage is used here. So these two fingers on the lower stick, while the rest 3 fingers on the upper stick, like this. While using the chopsticks, the lower one remains still. We only move the upper stick. So that is how we pick up food. Alright? Well, nowadays, chopsticks are most commonly made of wood, bamboo, or ceramic. And they've also been spread to some other neighboring countries like Japan, South Korea, Vietnam, and etc. Interestingly, according to scientific research, using chopsticks can boost our brain development. So why are you still watching the video? Go give this a try. 再见!